so fine.
You smell that?
Not in the corner at least. They do have a buffet. Who is he?
Felix.
It's a senior footballer. There are more Calcutta pictures here. Slide. Very little bars. भैया बफे होता है यहाँ पे या ऐसे कुछ ऐसे ही है?
नहीं मैम लंच में होते हैं
लंच में होता है
बुफे ड्यूरिंग लंच है
ओनली लंच टाइम इट हैज वो चेयर जिन पे बच्चे बैठते हैं एक्सपेंसिव जगहों पे ही होती है Hi guys, this is Jheel Jain. Welcome to my channel and I have struggled a lot to record this video okay. Now this is Heights. I mean इतनी मुश्किल से मैंने लाइट वाली जगह ढूंढी है इस रेस्टोरेंट में और अब बच्चा रोने लग गया मतलब हद हो गई है यार. So I've come to Calcutta which is a restaurant in Cyber Hub Gurgaon और there are a lot of restaurants here और मैंने यहाँ पे 25 से ज़्यादा रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाया है. So I thought कि यार when I go out and eat a lot I should record a video and whatever I am eating and sharing. But then I don't know technicalities about food. ठीक है I always even on Zomato I review about ambience, the service and if food was good or not. Simply not technicalities. But I have someone with me who is a food technologist by passion profession. And also whenever I go out with this person he always tells me about the कि ये कैसे बना है and about the ingredients. He has all the details, so I'm always interested in knowing something new. So the dinner eventually becomes dinner, lunch, brunch, whatever it is becomes very interesting because I get to know about the food and then I get to eat it, so it's interesting. So the person is Mr. Preetam Datta, who is Bengali by the way, so this is authentic Bengali food, so I'll get to learn a lot tonight.
Hello.
So
Privileged to
Preetam,
be on your channel, Jheel.
thank you so much Preetam. So you are a food technologist, although guys
I was.
and you but still
I'm
matlab
still
you,
certified, yes.
Yeah, so he was my manager where I used to work. So how was your experience working with him?
It was really good. I mean, it has been a good stint.
And also matlab whenever I go out with you have so much knowledge about the food and everything, so that's very intriguing and interesting.
Thanks.
And so as you have already ordered from this tablet, this is how you order in O Calcutta.
Yeah.
And this is your first time here, right?
Yes.
You have not come to Calcutta?
I've gone to the one in Nehru Place, but it was way back. And I had some non-veg. They had something called as a dap chingni. So they have lobsters. They put lobsters in coconut shell, and it is very creamy and stuff. And then you have it with like luchi. Luchi is it's similar to bhaturas or puri.
Okay.
It's made up of maida.
And
it was good. I mean that
this
experience
is
was good.
first time here.
Having vegetarian food, yes.
मतलब ये O Calcutta की chain है क्या?
Yes. It has a chain. There's one in Nehru Place, there's one in CP, I think, and this one is in DLF Cyber Hub, Gurgaon.
And I am a vegetarian and he's not, so we have ordered vegetarian. Most of the time I have gone out with any of my colleagues or friends, they always order vegetarian, especially he always does order vegetarian because when I'm
Keeping
around
up
he's
with the
like,
company.
yes, also this place has Zomato Gold, so if you have Zomato Gold you
Yes.
can use that, so that's interesting. Let's see, we have ordered and let's see, we are waiting for the food and the lighting is so bad. This has come to our table, papad, 2 chutneyan.
This is like a tartare dip.
कुछ मिर्चियाँ हैं जो इसमें ये क्या होगा? What is this?
Just to keep it moist, we do it.
नहीं मतलब ये क्या vinegar है क्या है?
This is water.
पानी है? Alrighty, I got my
It
plate.
has a very distinct taste.
दे दो भैया, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे इस खाने में भैया.
Try, mash it with rice and then
Okay.
just this, okay? And try it.
Okay. Hello guys, this is my plate and this is how it looks like. It has mocha. Mocha what?
Mochar Gonto.
मोचा भोंटो
Gonto.
घोंटो
Yes.
एंड देन मूंग का व्हाट
This is bhaja moongir dal.
पांजा मूंग दाल आई सीरियसली यार मतलब मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं खाया जिसको मैं बोल नहीं पाई हूँ सारी चीज़ों को मैं नहीं बोल पा रही सिर्फ राइस का नाम आ रहा है मुझे गिव मी दैट पिसा हुआ दाल पिसी हुई दाल को ऐसे इकट्ठा करके बनाया है?
Exactly. पिसे हुए दाल की बर्फी, like
अच्छा
savory
और
बर्फी.
ग्रेवी के साथ में
Yeah, exactly.
अच्छा ये तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है पनीर के पीसेस जैसे नहीं होते जल गए होंगे
चने की दाल है ये actually.
अच्छा है ब्लैक टी
Exactly.
ओ चने की दाल
So everything that you see has mustard oil as base.
योर प्लेट इज लुकिंग वेरी नाइस और मेरी
Still
अच्छा
the
ये सब
messy,
मस्टर्ड ऑयल में बना हुआ है
Yes, everything that you see has mustard oil base. And if you want like this tomato ki chutney, this also has like very strong mustard oil essence if you want to try it with anything.
अच्छा मैं इनके साथ ले सकती हूँ Oh my god, this finger bowl here looks like a soup bowl.